Hi, good morning, everybody. It's day one of the SEMA Show. We're about to get our passes, passing through the Westgate Hotel. I got my buddy Josh right here.
What's up, guys?
And we're about to get our passes, and then we'll show you the show later. Well, I'm not sure where we go now,
I
but
don't think they're fully set up till tomorrow.
we just get our passes. Soon be heading to. Alright, so there really wasn't much to do today. So we came out to the Hoover Dam and we're checking out a CorsAmerica Car meet.
Okay, established 97, born and raised in Bellflower, just making all this money and living on high power. I started from the bottom, now you know I'm at the top, I'm just...
CorsAmerica Car meet. Here's the dam, you guys. It's pretty freaking cool. Nice, big. Really don't think it was much meat. I think it's just like a rally destination location for them. But it looks like they're about to start heading out. We didn't have much to do today. SEMA was really just getting passes. They're still setting everything up. So we came out for a quick trip to check out this dam. Happened to be car meet going on like I showed you guys. Pretty relaxing day.
See, it's not just Hondas that do it.
You're right. It's exotic cars too.
Everyone thinks it's just Honda Civics.
I'll be damned. Reminds me of the Scotty Kilmer. Get ready to rev your engines.
No, just regular ass traffic leaving.
Mm-hmm. Nothing special here. Who's gonna do the first burnout? Two-stepping over there. Watch it be that GTO. Turns off launch control.
Well, we all know who doesn't have AC.
Oh, sounds nice.
Well, now we can park down there.
Yep.
That is a beautiful car, bro.
Oh.
Opportunities are in the studio, so let me grab it. These beats act like I'ma get hooked. Gotta have it, my career was like a movie, but I never showed the credits. Got this ill mind, so hit these words out my lips. I got this mind on my money, and this game on my fingertips. This is my first song. I started getting fans. They always thought that I was so unique to them. I am, and all the talent started when I was 6 years old. Confidence like a champ with a big heart of gold. Now people like, damn, you are getting older. As I grow, I'm getting bolder, trying to rap just like a man. And all the talent was established 97. And all the dreams were established 97. And all the talent was established 97. And all the dreams were established 97. When I started writing more songs, I started getting better. I rap about the real life for once, I'm a trendsetter. As I start rapping in public, popularity unfolds. I'm signing all these autographs, my career has grown into a whole nother level. I will rise to the top, I will reach the highest mountain, and you know I won't drop. I've been dipping in my music for a couple of months, but